Okay, the first step in solving the Rubik's Cube is to solve the cross. You can really use any color that you want, but most people will use white just because it's um, very noticeable on the cube as you're spinning it around. Um, anyway, there's two different ways. A lot of people teach to actually solve the cross on the bottom first because it will help in speed solving it later, or you can solve it on the top while you're looking at it. Um, if you're a beginner, it's just whichever way you prefer. Um, I'll show both ways. But anyway, what you want to do is start with the yellow face, which is actually opposite the white face. You know this is the white face because white is in the center. This is the blue face. This is the red face. These all spin independently of the center, so you can never mix the center up. But anyway, you want to start with the yellow, and what you want to do is look around the cube in the middle layer and find a white sticker, white edge sticker. And here's one right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to line that up with the yellow center. So it's right here. What I'll do is just turn this up like that. And ultimately the goal here is to have these four stickers here be a white cross with a yellow center. So, okay, I'm going to look. Here's another white sticker in the center. So just like the other one, I'm just going to flip it on top. Alright, that's two down. Here's another one right here. Sometimes it takes some more moving around than what it's taken me right here, but usually it shouldn't take you more than 6 or 7 moves to get these lined up. So just like the other ones, I'm going to flip that on top. So now I've got 3. And one more, just look around for it. It's right here. Now this one I'm not going to be able to just flip up on top. I'm going to actually have to insert it in the middle layer first, and I'm going to do that by just rotating this face like this. Okay. Now I've got the white in the center layer. Now I'm going to it needs to go right here, so I'm going to have to turn the top one time like that. Okay. And then you can see I just throw this on top like that. All this really needs to be done intuitively. It's not there aren't necessarily any special algorithms when you're first learning to get this in place. But anyway, that's the first part. Now that you've got this, the next thing you're going to do is look on the side and of these white edges and see the color that it's connected to. We'll look at this side first. We've got blue. So what you're going to do is line up this blue with its center, which is actually going to be on the other side. So you're just going to turn it around, line it up with its blue center, and then you're going to flip this, turn this 180 degrees, flip it upside down. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing to the other ones. Here's an orange. I'm going to find the orange center. Here it is. I'll line up the orange and do the same thing. Flip it over, upside down. Alright, same thing with the green. Okay, then flip that side with the green with that color upside down, and then lastly the red is right here, so spin it around, red, and flip that one. There. Now you'll see if you turn it upside down that you've formed a white cross. Now you can, you know, there are other ways to solve it. You don't necessarily have to do it that particular way. You can, if you're actually looking at the white face, this would be an example. You could find, say, a good example, like this here orange. It's already lined up with its white center. So all you have to do is line up the orange with the orange center, which is right here. So turn it like that, and you can pretty much do that with all the other pieces. Here's green. The green center is right here. You just have to, move the pieces around until you get them lined up. So, but the first way I showed you probably is the easiest way. But that's the first step. The next step is to actually put the white corners in place, and that's fairly easy also. And once you do that, you'll have the first layer complete.